Hi, this is Ian Thompson, Remax of Nanaimo. Hey, you know what? We do live in a rainforest, so sometimes you got to use an umbrella. And we've got one today for this great opportunity on Dickinson Road. Now, I wanted to talk about the proposed changes the city of Nanaimo has in place for more density. You know, everybody's talking about density in Canada for real estate. How do we get more people in the same property? Now, under the proposed rules, you'll be able to have, of course, the full house here, plus a secondary suite, plus a carriage home. Now, 3 different residences on one piece of property. Now, this is proposed, it hasn't been approved, and all the details are on our website if you'd look to find more information on that. But just think about the parking options here. That's the thing when people talk about secondary suites. Oh, you know, there's no place to park. That's all looked after on Dickinson Road. There's room for work trucks, there's room for RVs, secondary suite, and great access here, plus that carriage home. So options are what people are looking for when you're buying a house in 2023. And here on Dickinson Road, this one has it. This part is where you could do potentially a carriage home, a detached carriage home. And one of the benefits is it has an ocean view as well. This home has been priced sharply to reflect the work that's needed. Hey, it makes sense. You get all this value in property in North Nanaimo for under $800,000. Yes, it needs work inside. That's where your finishing details come into play. But when it's done, what have you got? A house with a suite and a carriage house potential, and everybody gets to enjoy the ocean view right here in North Nanaimo, walking to Woodgrove Center. Call your agent today to book a viewing.